urged in a prayer for Israel, destroyed by enemies. Verse 1, O God, the nations have come into your inheritance. Your holy temple they have defiled. They have laid Jerusalem in heaps. Verse 2, the dead bodies of your servants, they have given us food for the birds of the heaven, the flesh of your saints to the beasts of the earth. Verse 3, their blood they have shed like water all around Jerusalem, and there was no one to bury them. Verse 4, we have become a reproach to our neighbors, a scorn and derision to those who are around us. Verse 5, how long, Lord, will you be angry forever? Will you jealously burn like fire? Verse 6, pour out your wrath on the nations that do not know you, and on the kingdoms that do not call on your name. Verse 7, for they have ignored Jacob, and laid waste his dwelling place. Verse 8, oh, do not remember for me murmur iniquities against us. Let your tender mercies come speedily to meet us, for we have been brought very low. Verse 9, help us, O God, of our salvation, for the glory of your name, and deliver us, and provide atonement for our sins. For your name's sake. Verse 10, why should the nations say, where is their God? Let there be known among the nations in our sight, the avenging of the blood of your servants, which has been shed. Verse 11, let the groaning of the prisoner come before you, according to the greatness of your power. Preserve those who are appointed to die. Verse 12, and return to our neighbors, sevenfold into their bosom, their reproach with which they have reproached you, O Lord. Verse 13, so we your people and sheep of your pasture will give you thanks forever. We will show you forth your praise to all generations.